Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about binomial expansion. So now I want to show you how to answer. Before using about this one, we need to do about factorization in here. So we can do about factorization by s to the power of 3. Next, we can do another factorization by negative number 1. So s squared minus 1, we can do another factorization. So we know that number 16 will distribute for this one and this one. So we can put like this. Next, we can use about binomial expansion. So I will consider about this one first. And this one that should be the summation k equals to number 0 to number 16. And we have combination number 16 k multiplied by s squared to the power of k with negative number 1, number 16 minus k. And the second one, I will put about t. So we have the summation k, t equals to number 0 to number 16. And we have combination 16 t. This one we put s to the power of 3 t multiplied by negative number 1, number 16 minus t. Because two fractions they multiply each other, so we just concentrate about this one first. So because we want to find coefficient of s to the power of 69, so we will have about s2k plus 3t. So that means we need to consider about this one. Now we need to find the value of t in terms of k. So we put 2k go to the right and we divide both sides by number 3. And we know that t and k are integers. And in this situation, I will select the highest value of t. That is about number 16 in here. When t equals, oh sorry, I select about k. So when k equal to number 16, we put number 16 gone here and we can find the value of t. That is about 37/3. This one, that is not integers. We need to reject. So I will put number 15 gone here. And we have 13. So we select about this one. Now I will select number 14. Number 14, that's about 41/3. We need to reject 13. We put this one and we have 43/3. Now let's go to number 12. we have 15, so we need to accept 11. We have 47 over 3. The next one, number 10, 49 over 3. And the next one, number 9, we have 17. So we see that t equals to number 17. That is bigger than number 16 in here. So we need to reject. So we don't need to get all the numbers in here because the value of this t, they will go up. Meanwhile, this one go down. So we just have only this one and this one. Because two fractions, they multiply each other, and we want to find coefficients. Now we just have like this. So we put k and t cone here. So we calculate this one. We have negative 20,160. So about combination, the formula to calculate should be like this. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.